Hi friends, the steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have been working for years in this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. Basically, when the code 10 appears, the oven is signaling a failure in the burner ignition system, and as a safety measure, it blocks the heating. Some clients tell us things like, I turned on the heat and code 10 appeared and nothing would light, or I tried restarting it several times, but the error kept coming back. This makes it clear that the machine detected a critical problem and stopped before an accident could occur. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the oven tries to ignite, makes repeated clicking sounds, or even shuts off automatically. One client said, I could hear clicks like it was trying to light, but it never started, then code 10 appeared. This confirms that the problem is directly related to flame detection and burner safety. From a technical perspective, this error is usually linked to the flame sensor, gas valve, or ignition module that regulate combustion. One technician told me, if the flame isn't detected correctly or the gas valve doesn't open, the board shuts the system off and shows code 10 to protect the user. Even Rheem mentions in their bulletins that this error can appear due to faulty sensors or loose connections. There are also simpler situations that cause the same problem. Many times, clients bring in the oven and we find loose wires, dirty connectors, or dust buildup on the ignition module, which cause incorrect readings and trigger the code. Checking and cleaning these connections usually solves the problem quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was. Sometimes the code 10 error happens because the flame sensor or ignition module is damaged. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the sensor or securing the connectors restores the oven to normal. One client said, I thought the heater was broken, but we changed the sensor and it worked perfectly again, showing that you often don't need to replace the entire control board. We also recommend checking the gas pressure and supply, because if the pressure is too low or the gas is cut off, the oven can't ignite and triggers code 10. Some clients notice this when they say, the heat wouldn't turn on until we checked the gas valve, and adjusting the supply usually prevents the code from coming back.